You did it. You made it to day 7 in the 30-day Write Your Own Headlines Challenge. You're doing an amazing job. And I want you to feel good about yourself. I want you to recognize that that has taken some time and some reflective time, which is not easy to do. So awesome. I hope it is helping you. Let me know in the comments right now how this is helping you, what day 1 through 6 has helped you the most, and what you're looking forward to. So on day 1, we talked about setting intention. We talked about the idea that this week is about clarity, which I hope that this has opened up your eyes to a lot of things about yourself and other people. We talked about setting intention, what is blocking us, and what we hope to achieve over the next 12 months. In day 2, we talked about alcohol and how it could be holding us back, but alcohol is just one thing. It could be some other vice that is more reflective of what you are going through. And then we talked about envy in day 3. Envy, how envy and being envious of other people can hold us back, get in our way. And what are we trying to do? We're trying to clear the path. So envy has no place for us. And in fact, if we flip that, we actually become more aspirational. Then on day 4, we talked about forgiveness, the ultimate productivity hack, and how forgiving people, not forgetting, but forgiving, can make our lives deeper and better and more fulfilling. Then we talked about the zone of genius. Now, we talked about 4 quadrants, zone of genius being just one of them. And I definitely want you to go back to day 4 if you skip this one, because this one opened up a lot for a lot of people, I'm sure. Day 5, we talked about how you can focus, how you can achieve hyper focus while still having fun and enjoying life. And then that was day 6. Then we had a really awesome live session. If you want to come to week 2's live session, definitely look at the link below. Wherever you are, whenever you join this, the next session will be the one that's linked. The next live session will be the one that is linked. So check it out, go to it, make sure you register. You need to register to attend. And here's a big thing I want you to do. If you don't have a journal already, get a journal. That's 1. And then 2, go back to days 1 through 6, even if you already went through them. They're just 5 minutes each. So you can go to the playlist or you can go to one at a time and you can listen to them in about 30 minutes. And as you go through them, because of the other things that you learned about, see how your questions and your answers may change. See what your answer is. Now, fill in any gaps that were left and have a complete, full clarity week. And that will get you ready for week 2, which is all about confidence and which is getting you ready for one of our favorites, capital. Capital. This week, the week 3 is going to be really fun. Week 3 when we talk about capital, and then week 4 when we put that into action. So we're almost there. I'll see you on day 8, and you're doing a great job. Let me know in the comments what has been the breakthrough moment for you, and make sure that you share this with someone else that you want to win. Who you want to win. Who do you want to win this year?